stay tuned for, I'm sure we'll take pictures and stuff wearing them together when she fits it. And then the top is a triangle top. And so this kind of suit has been fitting me the best since I've been pregnant because it's obviously all adjustable, and this has the shells on the ends too. So yeah, I've been really liking tie triangle tops and these kind of bottoms because I got my regular size in these. I think, well, she handmade them, but I got a medium, I believe. And that's typically what I would wear in bottoms. But it's so nice because you can just tie the side and adjust them, and then they will fit me when I'm not pregnant also. So that's gonna be the big theme. Like, this kind of bottoms is like my go-to, I would say. If I'm just like picking out a suit to wear to the beach that would be the most comfortable, I'm gonna pick a tie one currently right now being pregnant.
Ovall is back at it again with another super cute bikini. This is the same nostalgia edition bikini as the pink one, just in red. And I love this color. I love red. I don't know, I just feel so sexy and like confident in red. It's one of my favorite colors to wear. Something about a little red bikini, I don't know. It just, so what do you think? I feel like everyone who wrote on my Instagram story said do a red bikini. Like, get a red bikini, and I see why. Like, I see what you guys are getting at. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Like, no questions asked. 10 out of 10 bikini.
I just have that one from them, but I really like that suit, so I wanted to put it in here. Next is Moana bikini, and they sent me this one at the beginning of my pregnancy, so I got my regular size. And in them, they do run a little bit big, I would say, so I always get a small. So it's the same kind of bottoms, right? They tie, but the small bottoms still fit me perfectly fine. I've worn these since I've had a belly, and it is cute, like a little floral print on it, and then it actually reverses and it has surfboards. I don't know if you can tell, surfboards on that side. So yeah, I really like this suit, and if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I've posted pictures in this one. And then the top is still a size small, and it's the same thing again. If a company asks to send me a suit, I've learned, I ask if they have tie ones because it's best for when you're pregnant, I would say. So it's just a triangle top again, ties and ties. And this is a size small. This top is a little bit small on me, but it'll fit me afterwards. So yeah, still fits okay.
Next is this brand new bikini. This is my first time trying this on. I literally just struggled to cut the tags off. And this is from Ovall, the brand. I love this brand so much. This has been like my go-to when I need a new set or when I'm going on a vacation. I immediately run to their website and buy a new bikini. I just ordered this set. I have this in a few other colors. This is the Cafe edition in the color Leche, and I am obsessed with it. I got a size medium large top, and honestly, I could definitely size up. I feel like it is a little bit too small, but it's still sexy, still cute, fits the vibe of today for the micro bikini. I got a small in the bottoms, and it fits really well. Their bikinis are known to be super, super, super G-string, and that's why I love them. They're really nice, really good material. I'm a little nervous this might be see-through when it gets wet, but I guess I'll test the waters and find out. White is like my favorite bikini color to wear because I feel like when you're tan, it just really accentuates your skin color, and especially because I have dark hair, I just feel like it makes everything pop. It makes me feel like Greek goddess vibes. So I love this one, and I'm really glad I got this color, but I do wish I sized up a bit on the top. I'm just gonna have to be careful when I'm swimming, or if I put this in the dryer, I feel like it might shrink. So I'm gonna avoid that, but other than that, this is definitely an 8 out of 10.
I would highly recommend checking them out if you guys liking the ones I try on. And then I did get the same bottoms as the yellow in the brown, in a large again. Kind of wish I got them in a medium, but I don't know. This is so pretty though, so.
Okay, I'm so happy to be out of that bikini, but this one will redeem itself. So this is another one from Ovall. This is the Nostalgia Bikini in bubblegum pink. And I am obsessed with this bikini. I got an extra large in the top and a small in the bottoms. Usually I don't like when bikinis tie right here. I feel like it kind of takes away from the shape of your body, but this one I love. I love how it feels. I love the fit, love the material. Everything about this bikini is just 10 out of 10, perfect. I'm also usually not a pink girl, but this one is so cute. It's feminine, girly, and I just think it's a really nice color. I love the fit. It makes the booty look nice. Again, Ovall is known for their nice G-string bikinis. All their bikinis look like this. All of them have this sexy G-string look going, and they're just the best. They're my favorite. I do wish they had this color bikini with the bottoms that didn't have straps like this, the tie ones. I like when it's just the string. There's nothing else. It's just there. You don't have to tie it together. You don't have to deal with all these knots, but it's still a gorgeous bikini, and I will give it a 7 out of 10.
And then this one, because it's fixed, it looks so tiny because I haven't put it on yet and readjusted it, but since it's tie bottoms, I did get my regular size, which is a medium, yeah. So it's this fun like floral print that's green and cream, and I don't have any, I mean I do have some green suits, but I don't have any like this. Like, I don't know, it looks really pretty on the model, and I know it looks tiny holding it up, but I will adjust it when I try it on. And then I have a couple suits in this style top already from them, so I knew that it fit. I have like a solid red one that I've been wearing a lot since being pregnant, and so this is a medium top, just triangle tie and tie to go with it.
The first set that I have for today is a black set. This actually comes in a 3 set, so it's 3 different pieces when you buy it. So it's in black, and then in white, and then in a gray color, if I don't misremember, or if it was a nude. But today I'm showing you this black color, and this is saying sexy goddess. So it's a very sexy piece, and it's with an elastic band in the waist, and then it's cottony style here. And I have it in size medium, and size medium fits me perfect. It did come with paddings, but I did take out the paddings in the try-on because I didn't like the paddings. It's also adjustable in the back, and let's take a look, guys.
I have this little bikini from Very Beachy Swimwear. They are a Miami-based brand. They sent me this, I think it was 2 years ago, and I've been obsessed with it since. This is one of my go-to bikinis. I love a good black bikini, especially because my hair is pretty dark, and this one's nice because it has like this nice snakeskin print to it, so it gives it a little extra something. It's not super plain. But this is a very good go-to bikini, and I like that it has pads in it. It's very supportive, keeps the girls in. I like how the back fits. It's coming apart a little bit because I've worn it so much, but I like that it's a thicker strap, and this is a really nice material, so it just feels like it'll hold you all together while showing a lot. But this is a gorgeous bikini, and I love this brand because they're not super overpriced. I have worn bikinis from certain brands that are like $100 tops, $100 bottoms, and it's just not worth it. I give this bikini an 8 out of 10. The only thing I don't love about it is how twisted the bottoms get, but it's okay. Still a gorgeous bikini, and I highly recommend this brand.